What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, let's get right into it. I ain't trying to waste no time. I got a couple of these lows, mids, whatever I gotta film for you guys, so I don't want to take up too much time. I want to run through these videos and get it out to you guys. No more taking a week off. Hopefully not. Cross my fingers. But either way, you see the title. So you know what low we're going over. Right now I don't even know the name because the name on StockX and Go is totally different compared to what they name it on the label. So either way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. On our way to 1K subs. As soon as we hit 1K subs, it's an absolutely free giveaway. So hit the subscribe button as well. If you're new here, comment whatever you want because I respond to all my comments down below. And also down below, check out my main channel and my Instagram. Ladies, the DM is always open, so hit me up. So yeah, let's get right into it. All those links will be down below in the description. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Well, we're about to get right into it. I don't even know what I'm saying. My brain is all over. But let's get into it. So off rip, I literally forgot the name of these mids, but you'll see it in the title what I put because like I said in the intro, the label says champagne coconut milk. I don't know if that was the name at all on StockX and all that stuff. I'm gonna put the title, you'll see what I'm talking about. Typical regular Jordan black box. Jordan 1 low right here. Boom. Now what I will say about these is that they're definitely different, definitely weird. Let you guys know this size 13 like a week ago was selling for good profit. I literally have two 13s, one right here and then the other one is still being shipped. But these, I might return them and get my money back because honestly, now that I got them, they brick. They literally under what I paid for. So let's get the thumbnail. Why do they feel so damn heavy? What the fuck? I feel like there's a brick in here. Good. Shit, feel like I'm getting hit with a brick to the face. Either way, let's get a quick thumbnail for this bullshit. Either way, let me know in the comments, do you like this? Is it too much coloring? This shit felt like I'm wearing Timbs. Honestly, my hands felt mad heavy. There's so much details on here. Look at this. It's so, they're like the purple bag Starburst, which is low-key one of the best. Not Starburst, Skittles. The purple bag Skittles got how they got like the purple, pink, red, all that like raspberry type of Skittles. This is literally what the shoe looks like. This thing is so heavy. It's literally heavy. And it's like, Jesus, the hell is this made of? I feel like Tim's on a damn Jordan 1 low. But that's the detail right there, the 23 on a little tag right there. That's the back. I don't know if it's literally any different. No, this is just a straight color. Looks like that lavender, purple, pink, white. That's the outer side with that blue right here. But inside is different. It got the pink in there. Let's put it like this so you can see. See, it's a little different. Got the blue inside, got the pink. Outside, the blue, inside's the pink. And then you got the lavender, purple, they're different. Like a cotton candy. And all that stuff. But, yeah. Right here, Jordan 1 lows, coconut milk, whatever they have on the label. You'll see on the title, because I'm going to go look at the title on StockX and see what they call these. But ladies, do you like these? Guys, do you like them? Like I said, size 13 was worth profit, but now that I got it, shipping took forever. It's a brick now. I think with all the materials and different things is why it's heavy. This shit literally feels like Tim's. You hear that shit? The hell was they doing? Either way, what the hell? That's the bottom. I don't know if I showed you guys. Like the blue right there. But yeah, this is a quick little review for these lows. I don't know if you guys seen these. It restocked on Nike.com. I don't know if they got sizes left. In case you do like these and you want to get in your size, then you could go ahead and look for them. But yeah, I don't know, I might return them. We'll see what happens. But I definitely wouldn't mind getting my money back. But you guys let me know in the comments, do they even look presentable? Would you cop a sneaker this loud with all this color? If you wear a size 13, hit me up. I could sell you this for at least some profit if you want them. But if not, it's fine. This is one final look at them. Jordan 1 lows. some details in there. Look like clown shoes if you ask me. But yeah, like I said, these things are heavy. I don't know what material they made for these, but it's definitely for like Timberlands. Either way, that's it for these shoes. I'm out of here. See you guys on the next vid. Like I said, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. 1K subs are doing a free giveaway, so join the squad, and I'll see you guys on the next vid. My voice is so raspy, I don't know. But either way, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Shout out to y'all, and I'll see y'all on the flip side.